Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll share a quick update about the XOS Airdrop. If you've already been farming this airdrop, here's some good news. They recently launched their testnet. If you visit their X account, you can see they've shared the information there with a link to all the details. So you can check it out. Now from the Telegram link, I'll share in the description. You need to visit that link first. You'll land on a page where you can see the testnet options. Here you need to copy your MetaMask wallet address which you connected with XOS. Paste that address here. Solve the CAPTCHA and click claim. Wait a bit and it's done. You'll receive 0.2 XOS tokens as part of the testnet. Then click back. Remember, you need to wait 24 hours to claim again. However, there are a few rules. If you have at least one referral, you can claim every 3 days. If you're holding their Guardian Badge NFT, you can claim daily. Next, you need to visit another site. Just click the link provided and you'll land on a new page. Here you need to connect your MetaMask wallet again. You'll see the swap option. Select your token. For example, I'll choose USDC. Then I'll input 0.01. Which is around 0.46 USDC. Now click swap. Then confirm swap. Wait a bit, then click confirm transaction. Once it's submitted, click close. You need to swap some tokens every day to stay active in their testnet. Now click on the pool section. Here you can add liquidity. Click new position. XOS will automatically be selected and I'll choose USDC. Click max. Then approve USDC and confirm. Next, click preview, then add, then confirm, and finally close. As you can see, it's added. You can also add more liquidity in a similar way. That's it for this video. For more updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.